So for this video, I'm going to show you how to straighten synthetic hair. So this is a wig that I got. It's synthetic, 100% synthetic, heat resistant. It's curly-ish, kind of wavy, kinky. I love the curl, but I also want to show you how to straighten it if you'd like to. So I'm putting my iron on 250. So it's on low heat. Excuse my dog in the background. It's creeping by. So I'm putting a spray of Enjoy leave-in conditioner, which I've watered down with a little bit of water because my conditioner was getting low, so I like to dilute it so I can still use it. So you don't want it wet, just lightly spritz. So it's very lightly dampened. I'm just gonna comb it through, take my section. So I'm gonna use a pretty thick section just because if it's too thin, I feel like it'll burn a little easier. And it still works just as well. So I'm not squeezing my iron very tightly, I'm just gently passing it through the hair. You want to just do it a couple times so that there's not too much heat, and don't hold it in one place for too long or it will melt. So just run it through a couple times gently on the low heat, and you'll see it'll start to straighten out the kinks or the curls or waves, depending on how wavy or how curly the synthetic wig or hair is. You'll see it already is starting to straighten. So just keep going very lightly as many times as you need to until it's as straight as you want it. And you can see all the curls out. It's pretty straight, silky straight. I'm just gonna iron out the kinks on the ends because I didn't go all the way to the end while I was showing it. And there you can see silky straight synthetic hair from Curly. I'm trying to show side by side so you can see the difference. Okay, now the fun part. I'm going to show you what happens if your iron is too hot with synthetic hair and you try to put heat on it. This is what will happen. I'm going to show you just on one little tiny strand so I don't ruin my wig. Okay, so I turned my iron back up to 450. So this iron gets pretty hot. And so I'm taking a strand of the synthetic hair. And this is what happens if your iron's too hot. In like 1 second, it will melt the hair right off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.